You need to build your personal brand if you want to get more opportunities in your career, but what does that even mean? And how can you build your personal brand on LinkedIn? In this video, we are going to cover 7 simple steps to help you do just that. Let's dive into it. Welcome to the channel. I'm a business coach for ambitious women. If you're new here, then make sure you hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. Step No. 1 is to define who you are. Before you can define who you want to be known for, you have to first understand who you are. This seems obvious at first, but many people don't really know themselves that well. They don't know their strengths, they don't know their values, and they don't really know what makes them different. So take some time to really reflect on these 3 questions. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? And what do you stand for? Once you have a clear understanding of who you are, you can start to figure out how you want to be seen by others. The next step is to think about what problems you've solved or what value you've created in your career so far. You want to be known for something, right? You want to be the person that other people think of when they think of a certain skill set or expertise. So you need to identify what that is first. Have you increased sales for your company? Have you developed a new process that saved time and money? Have you mentored junior colleagues? All of these are examples of value add that you can be known for. Once you've identified the problems you've solved or the value you've created, you can start to craft your personal brand around those things. Think about what makes you different from everyone else who does what you do. What unique perspective or expertise do you bring to the table? How have your experiences shaped the way you do things? Once you've figured that out, you can start to articulate your personal brand. What do you stand for? What are you known for? Who do you help? Next up is to define your target audience. If you're serious about building a personal brand, then you need to get clear on who you want to reach with your messaging. Who do you want to be known for? Is it decision makers at large companies? Is it small business owners? Is it job seekers like yourself? Defining your target audience will help you focus your efforts and ensure that you're putting your energy towards the right things. Once you've defined your target audience, it's time to create content that speaks to their needs and interests. Content is king when it comes to building a personal brand. By creating valuable content that positions you as an expert in your field, you'll start to attract the attention of your target audience. And remember, it doesn't have to be complicated. Share articles that you find interesting. Post updates about your work and don't forget to use visuals like images and videos. This will help your content stand out in the sea of text. It's also important to engage with others in your industry. Comment on their posts, share their content, and join relevant groups. By being active in the community, you'll start to build relationships and establish yourself as a thought leader. It's important to be consistent with your branding across all platforms. Make sure your LinkedIn profile picture and cover photo are professional and high quality. Use a consistent color scheme and font throughout your content, and keep your messaging on point. This will help you establish a strong visual identity that people will start to recognize and associate with your personal brand. In today's world, it's more important than ever to have a strong personal brand. By following the tips above, you can start building your personal brand on LinkedIn and attracting the opportunities that come your way. Don't wait any longer. Start today and see where it takes you. Now that we've covered the basics of personal branding, let's talk about how you can actually implement it. I've got 5 simple steps for you that are proven to work. Step 1 is to claim your LinkedIn profile URL. This is the first step to establishing your personal brand on LinkedIn. Go to your profile settings and change your public profile and URL. Make sure your URL is simple and easy to remember. Step 2 is to write a compelling headline. Your headline should be more than just your job title. Use it to showcase what you do and who you do it for. For example, instead of saying marketing manager, try something like helping SaaS companies grow through inbound marketing. Step 3 is to create a summary that highlights your value proposition. Your summary should be a high-level overview of what you do and how you can help others. Use keywords that describe your industry and target audience and focus on the benefits you can provide. Step 4 is to showcase your work with media. Adding media such as videos, presentations, and articles to your profile will help to showcase your work and thought leadership in a more engaging way. This will help potential employers or clients to get a better understanding of your skills and experience. Step 5 is to request recommendations from colleagues and clients. Recommendations are a great way to build trust and credibility on LinkedIn. Reach out to colleagues and clients and ask them to write a recommendation for you. Be sure to follow up and thank them for their support. Building a strong personal brand on LinkedIn takes time and effort, but the results are worth it. By following the steps above, you'll be able to create a profile that showcases your skills, experience, and value proposition. And remember, it's not a one-time task. Keep updating your profile and sharing valuable content to maintain a strong presence on LinkedIn. A strong personal brand on LinkedIn can lead to many great things. Here are just a few of the benefits you can expect when you build a personal brand on LinkedIn. Increased visibility. When you build a personal brand on LinkedIn, you become more visible to potential employers, clients, and collaborators. This can lead to more opportunities for networking and relationship building. Better job opportunities. A strong personal brand on LinkedIn can help you stand out from the competition when applying for jobs. Recruiters and hiring managers may take notice of your experience and qualifications and reach out to you directly. More business opportunities. If you're looking to attract clients or customers to your business, a personal brand on LinkedIn can help you do just that. By showcasing your products and services and sharing valuable content, you can establish yourself as an expert in your field and attract new business. Thought leadership. A personal brand on LinkedIn can also help you establish yourself as a thought leader in your industry. By sharing your insights and expertise, you can position yourself as an authority and gain recognition from peers and colleagues. Stronger relationships. A personal brand on LinkedIn can help you build stronger relationships with your connections. By sharing updates and engaging with others in your network, you can stay top of mind and nurture those relationships over time. Overall, there are many benefits to building a personal brand on LinkedIn. From increased visibility to better business opportunities, a strong personal brand can help you achieve your professional goals. So if you haven't already, start building your personal brand today. As mentioned earlier in the video, a big part of building your personal brand on LinkedIn is creating and sharing content. But with so much noise out there, how do you ensure that your content stands out and gets noticed? The good news is that there are a few simple tricks you can use to grab attention and make an impact. First, use a strong headline and summary. Your headline and summary are the first things people will see when they visit your profile, so it's important to make them count. Use strong verbs and keywords that describe your experience and qualifications. Next, share valuable content. Share articles, videos, and other content that is relevant to your industry and target audience. This will help establish you as a thought leader and build your credibility. Use visuals. Visuals such as images and videos can help break up the sea of text on LinkedIn and make your content stand out. Use them to showcase your personality and make a lasting impression. Engage with others. Engaging with others in your industry is a great way to get noticed. Comment on their posts, share their content, and join relevant groups. Building relationships is key to establishing a strong personal brand. Remember, building a personal brand on LinkedIn takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Keep sharing valuable content, engaging with others, and refining your profile, and you'll eventually start to see success. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. Thanks for watching.